this tips and tricks video, we're going to look at how to adjust the sentiment of a word directly within the dashboard. To do so, I want to select my Data tab, and I can open up any one of these reviews. In this case, these are publicly available mobile app reviews, and I can select any one of the words in that data set. In this case, I'll just choose worry, which we see was originally tagged with negative sentiment, as we might expect. I can select set sentiment value. From here, I can adjust the value accordingly. We'll just, in this case, we'll just perhaps set this to a positive one for the example, and click add. And in this instance, I see worry was added over here to my tune analysis panel. So now I can reprocess the data set, and that new sentiment value will be reflected in my verbatims. And that's how you can easily tune sentiment within Stratified.